IFS, Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, Telangana State Forest Development Corporation Limited, Hyderabad, as one of the panelists for celebrating World Environment Day 2020 today. To the august audience gathered attending this panel discussion on Zoom Cloud Meet. Sri Ponangi Raghuvir has a master's degree in chemistry from Usmania University, Hyderabad, apart from postgraduate diplomas in wildlife management and human resource management. He is also a trained chief information officer from IIM Ahmedabad. Currently, he is pursuing his MBA in human resources. He is working in the current assignment since March 2019 and is overseeing the operations in managing plantations across the state of Telangana and promoting ecotourism activities. He has brought in several innovative initiatives in the corporation, including FSC certification for the forest produce, ISO certification for process improvement, collaboration with NGOs such as Sankalpataru and Samaran, consultancy works for NTPC and RFCL, apart from measures for improving plantation productivity. Botanical Garden, Kondapur is the first park in the country to have received ISO certification during 2019. Prior to that, he worked as PCCF, looking after vigilance, research, information technology, and publicity wings of the Forest Department at state level and successfully steered the Jungle Bachao, Jungle Badao campaign. Earlier, as director of TS Forest Academy, Dolapalli, he has launched several path-breaking initiatives to enhance effectiveness of training of field officers. These include seminar system weekly, director's feedback session, mentoring system, night patrolling, suggestion box, weapon training, GPS and computer training, personality development module, postcard feedback system, seminar projects, etc. Forest Academy received an award for educational excellence from Indus Foundation, New Jersey in September 2012 during the Indo-US Global Education Summit. As organizing secretary of Andhra Pradesh Environment Connect, he was instrumental in setting up a network of stakeholders working towards a better environment. APESC has more than 1,200 members and focuses mainly on energy conservation, water conservation, recycling, tree plantation protection, organic farming, and total sanitation campaign at Panchayat level. He is an ardent campaigner for invoking individual social responsibility amongst the citizens for a better environment through individual actions. As additional secretary to government e-governance, he was responsible for conceptualizing and implementing some key e-governance projects and formulating policies in the erstwhile state of Andhra Pradesh. The projects including caring government, social benefits management system, e-procurement, Parishkaram call center, integrated financial information system, AP online, e-seva, Jawahar knowledge centers, etc. He is a regular resource person on e-governance and natural resource management for National Institute of Rural Development, National Institute of Smart Government, Administrative Staff College of India, Engineering Staff College of India, and Dr. Marri Channa Reddy HRD Institute. He facilitated e-governance workshops for officials of Government of Sri Lanka, Government of Bangladesh, Government of Assam, and Government of Manipur. He played a key role in the successful IT operations during the first Afro-Asian Games held in Hyderabad in 2003. He has been in the field of using ICT tools in government sector for the past 25 years with focus on change management, business process re-engineering, and institutional capacity building. Played a key role in transforming Forest Department with the establishment and institutionalization of GIS and MIS wings and extensive use of technology for evolving good decision support system. As conservator of Forest Warangal, he was instrumental in taking up innovative extension approaches like Warangal Vanapremi and Vanya Prani Masam celebrations, apart from initiating for the first time environment impact assessment of a tribal Jatra in Madaram, which is attended by over 40 lakh people in Etur Nagaram Wildlife Sanctuary area. The study resulted in focusing the attention of all stakeholders on the irreparable damage being caused to the environment due to the biennial Jatra, and district administration consequently declared the 2002 Madaram Jatra as an eco-friendly Jatra. He was instrumental in changing the government policy on earmarking the VSS chairperson, vice chairperson post to women members to ensure greater sense of participation and ownership from among them. His book, Little Drops Make an Ocean, which provides a ringside view from citizen perspective about the impact of soil and moisture conservation measures taken up in Warangal and Karimnagar districts, was released in the State Assembly in the year 2001 and was appreciated by NABARD as well. His other key assignments include Conservator of Forests, World Bank assisted AP Forestry Project, when the first ever statewide stakeholder consultation in over 300 locations on the transition from JFM to CFM was supervised. He managed 18 national and international consultancies under this project, right from conceiving the terms of reference to contract management as per the procurement guidelines of the World Bank, apart from the following up on the recommendations. He had worked as a consultant for the World Bank as a forestry specialist in its supervision mission to...
Sir, time is important, sir. You are taking...
Yeah, I'm completing, sir. It's fast. He had worked as a consultant for the World Bank as forestry specialist in its supervision mission to review Maharashtra forestry project. He worked as project director, World Bank assisted ICDS project in Women Development and Child Welfare Department, when he had introduced the first ever community growth chart in the country, apart from streamlining the information system management. His CIO project on plantation performance management monitoring system won the National Merit Award of Government of India during 2003. His case study on application of IT in administration was adjudged the best and awarded the Telecom India 2004 National Excellence Award. His case study on e-governance initiatives in Andhra Pradesh was awarded the CSI Nihilient e-Government Award for the year 2004. As an election observer, he had conceptualized, designed and developed a comprehensive online municipal elections monitoring system for Guntur district during September 2005, which enabled effective monitoring of implementation of code of conduct by all 1,600 contesting candidates. The State Election Commission directed all other district collectors to follow this model for greater transparency in election process. He has been a jury member in several panels for selecting green initiatives, green IT company, e-government initiatives for improved service delivery, green champions, etc. He was also a member of the expert group of the National Biodiversity Authority, Government of India. Thank you, sir, for readily accepting our invitation to be part of the